Hello archives, following the last video where I said the unboxing will be soon, I come here today to show you the unboxing. But before, look this beautiful, oh my god, Chicago Bulls slow dunk. Beautiful. If you like videos like that, follow for more. Okay, and let's go to unboxing this lovely piece. I don't know what it is, so let's go. Cut in here, take a box. What do you think it is? Let's go. Let's see. Oh my god, Vikings NFL. Minnesota. One more for the collection about the Vikings. Lovely ring. That's it. If you like videos like that, don't forget to follow. Cheers.